Some gaming keyboards are good. And then there are these, the absolute kings of performance, speed, and style. Today we're ranking the top 5 premium gaming keyboards of 2025. They're fast, they're beautiful, and yeah, they're expensive. But are they worth it? Let's find out. At number 5, the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. This isn't just a keyboard, it's a precision weapon. With OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable switches, you can change actuation from hair trigger to deep press in seconds. The OLED display gives you live game stats or Discord messages without leaving your match. And that aircraft-grade aluminum frame, solid enough to survive a rage quit or 3. Razer Huntsman V3 Pro. In fourth place, Razer Huntsman V3 Pro, the smoothest, most precise Razer keyboard yet. Analog optical switches let you fine-tune every key sensitivity, giving you controller-like precision in games. Add in double-shot PBT keycaps, buttery stabilizers, and full chroma lighting. It's a beauty and a beast. At number 3, the Logitech G915 TKL Lightspeed. This wireless wonder is ultra-slim but deadly fast. With low-profile mechanical switches and Lightspeed wireless tech, it's basically wired performance without the cable mess. Oh, and the battery lasts up to 40 hours. RGB on. That's more than some of us game in a week. Runner-up is the Corsair K100 RGB. It's the Lamborghini of gaming keyboards. Loaded with optical mechanical switches, insanely fast Axon hyperprocessing, and dedicated macro keys for MMO or editing workflows. And that IQE control wheel? One twist and your setup turns into an RGB light show. And the king of 2025 is the Asus ROG Azoth. This 75% gasket-mounted masterpiece feels like typing on clouds. It comes with pre-lubed switches, an OLED display, tri-mode connectivity, and a metal frame that screams quality. Every press feels premium, and every detail feels engineered for perfection. It's not just a keyboard, it's an experience. So, that's our top 5 premium gaming keyboards of 2025. Which one would you drop your hard-earned cash on? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button for more epic gaming gear reviews, and subscribe so you don't miss our next showdown.